Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Mauto channel. This time I will explain about 17 pomelo for health benefits. Pomelo is one type of fruit that is quite popular among the people of Indonesia. Although the name is pomelo, but actually this orange breeding is not much in Bali. Even in the island of Java. The naming history of pomelo was less well known. However, this video will not discuss the naming of pomelo, but to inform you readers of the benefits of this pomelo fruit. Pomelo fruit has a content similar to oranges in general. Only its size is much larger than ordinary oranges. Pomelo fruit size can be as big as melon, or watermelon with a round shape. What are the benefits of pomelo fruit? In Indonesia itself, pomelo fruit is quite rare and also quite difficult to find. Even in supermarkets and also large retail stores were rarely encountered. Although it tends to be difficult to obtain, but pomelo has many benefits for us. What are the benefits of this pomelo? Here are some of them. Number 1. As a medium of creativity. Benefits that have been done by many people from pomelo is as one of the media creativity. Usually, the skin of pomelo fruit is often used to make various kinds of crafts. And also children's toys, such as cars or made as a miniature sailboat is very beautiful. Number 2. As an antioxidant. In terms of health, pomelo is one of a variety of fruits that contain antioxidants. Antioxidants present in this grapefruit fruit is very important for the health of the body, because it can prevent the entry of free radicals that will enter the body. Free radicals themselves have a lot of negative impact on the health of the body, because it can cause various diseases and health problems. Number 3. Treating canker sores. Pomelo benefits for health, just like citrus fruits and various types of fruits in general also has a high vitamin C content. The high vitamin C content makes grapefruit is also often used to treat canker sores, and also very fitting as one type of fruit dessert. Number 4. Refresh the body. A mixture of sour, sweet and pomelo water makes pomelo very good at refreshing the body, especially when it's hot and you need something refreshing. Number 5. Mixed groceries. Pomelo, in addition, can be eaten just like that. Can also be used as a mixture of food ingredients. Some foods that usually contain the main ingredients of pomelo are ruyakpua. Number 6. Can prevent cancer. In addition to having a high antioxidant that is able to prevent free radicals from entering the body, pomelo also has potassium content. Potassium can also help the body to ward off and prevent the growth of cancer cells. So effective to prevent cancer and also inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Number 7. Lowering bad cholesterol levels in the body. Pomelo has a compound called pectin. Pectin compound content is believed to be able to lower levels of bad cholesterol in our bodies. In short, pomelo benefits very well for those of you who have cholesterol talent and also suffer from cholesterol. Number 8. Prevent heart disease. Still from pectin kandungan that exist in pomelo. In addition to lowering bad cholesterol in the body, pectin is on pomelo is also very effective for maintaining heart health. With the preservation of heart health, it can avoid the possibility of having a heart attack is very dangerous for your body's health. Number 9. Cleaning red blood cells. Pomelo has an excellent content of active substances and is also effective for clearing your red blood cells. In addition to cleansing red blood cells, active substances that exist in pomelo can increase blood levels in the body, and also useful to prevent the emergence of symptoms of anemia in your body. Number 10. Prevent and treat hypertension. For those of you who suffer from hypertension, pomelo is one fruit that is also good for your health. This is because pomelo is able to control blood pressure and can lower your blood pressure. Number 11. Maintain body endurance. A variety of vitamins and minerals that exist in the benefits of pomelo can help the body to maintain immunity and immunity. With the body's awake immunity, the body will be protected from various diseases, especially diseases that attack the immune system, such as flu and cough. Number 12. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Pomelo also has a good benefits as one of the fruits that can be anti-inflammatory and antibacterial substances. By eating pomelo fruit, then you can avoid inflammation and also protected from various diseases caused by bacteria, such as typhoid disease. Number 13. Fix damaged body cells. Another benefit of pomelo is, the nutrient content of grapefruit is able to repair damaged body cells. This of course will be very good for the health of our body, especially health organs in the body. Number 14. Good for digestive organ health. Just like any other fruit, pomelo has a fairly high fiber content. The high fiber is very good for maintaining the health of the digestive organs, and can prevent you from digestive organ disorders, such as constipation, diarrhea and hemorrhoids. Number 15. Smooths the skin. The content of vitamins and minerals that exist in pomelo is also very effective to smooth and also maintain your skin health, so that your skin, in addition to being smoother, will look brighter and also healthy. Number 16. Prevent premature aging. Antioxidants that can counteract free radicals in pomelo also useful to prevent the emergence of signs of aging, especially the symptoms of premature aging, such as decreased skin elasticity and the appearance of wrinkles on the face. Number 17. As a face mask. Antibacterial properties owned by pomelo, you can also use to do the treatment on your facial skin by processing it into a face mask. Masks from pomelo fruit itself has many benefits, including control the oil on the face, brighten the face, cleaning acne, lifting dead skin cells. Here is a step to process pomelo into a mask. First, get the pomelo fruit to your taste. Second, blender the pomelo fruit until smooth. Third, let the pomelo grind on all parts of the face. Fourth, set up 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with water and face wash. That's why pomelo benefits to health and beauty also need to know. Hopefully this video is useful for you all. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.